Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to copy, clone, duplicate EC2 instances. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in AWS, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Copying, cloning, or duplicating EC2 instances in AWS is very useful for scaling your application, creating backups, or replicating environments. Now, for you to be able to do that, I need you to click on the EC2 if you haven't already, because copying an EC2 instance typically involves creating a new instance with the same configuration as an existing ones. All right, so go to the instances for now. If you haven't already, so we have this one. Now click on the actions and from here click on the image and templates. I want you to click on create template from instance. Now you can also put in the net template. For now I'm going to be using Andy Guide version 2. Once I've done that, click on the create launch template. But the thing is, if it fails, let's try to create an instance from scratch. Okay, so go here. Okay, so I'm selecting this newly created instance, this one, and the same process is I'm going to actions and I'm going to click on the image and templates. Click on create image. And of course, you can put in as much as information as you can. But for now, and click on create image. Now after that, I need you to click on the images and click on AMIs. Make sure we have that here. All right, click on it and the status is still pending. But once you've seen that the status is available, we have to wait for it. It'll take a while, like minutes, sometimes it's an hour, depending on the length or the volume of data that is stored here on the instance that you have created. So we will wait. Now, once you have seen that the status becomes available, I want you to click on launch instance from AMI. Now, of course, you can name this, like for example, duplicate, clone, and copy. And then, of course, make sure you are on the My AMIs and make sure that this is going to be the, you see, there's an option that says owned by me and shared with me. All right. This is going to be a machine image. And once you've done that, make sure you click on the launch. But you have to realize everything that you do here has its own cost. All right. You see, it's going to be point something per hour. You want to make sure you're on that and make sure you're on free. After that, click on launch instance and you would be able to copy, clone, and duplicate EC2 instances very quickly. Now, if you encounter any problems doing that, I need you to click the icon here. That's going to be the Amazon queue. And you might want to basically ask a question here. Type in if you get an answer. If you don't, just hover to the support help center. And if you get a hold of one of the support staff, tell them you're having problems copying and cloning duplicate EC2 instances on your account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.